Migrate Mate Review 2025 Scam or Legit Immigration Helper. If you're planning to move abroad, you've probably seen Migrate Mate advertised as an easy immigration helper. But is it legit, or just another expensive shortcut? Most people get this wrong, so let's break it down honestly in 2025. Migrate Mate is not an immigration law firm. Instead, it's a guidance platform that helps users understand visa pathways, required documents, and timelines. That distinction is critical. The platform offers assessments, country comparisons, and step-by-step guidance for visas like skilled worker, student, and digital nomad options. For beginners, this clarity can save hours of research. However, here's the surprising truth. MigrateMate does not submit applications for you and does not guarantee approval. Any service claiming guaranteed visas is a red flag, and MigrateMate avoids that claim. Pricing is where opinions split. The service charges for access to guidance and tools. Some users find value in structured information, while others feel free government websites provide similar details. Most people get confused by the word helper. MigrateMate helps you prepare and understand, but you're still responsible for submitting applications correctly. One strong point is transparency. The platform clearly states it's not a law firm, which separates it from scam operations. In 2025, MigrateMate is best for people who feel overwhelmed by immigration research and want a clear roadmap without hiring an expensive lawyer. If you expect done-for-you services, you'll be disappointed. If you want clarity and structure, it may be worth it. Always double-check official requirements and use tools like this as guidance, not authority. Subscribe for more honest reviews before you spend your money.